All right, good everyone. My name is Sodi Maladi, but people call me Mr. Matt. All right, what I have for you today is still on set. On set. So now let's look at this question. A past question, SSC November 2002. Now let's look at the question. Given that X, Y, Z are subsets of the universal set, this universal set from 1 to 10, such that X, subset X, equals to P, the value of P ranges from 2 less than equals to P less than 9, where P is a prime number, and Y, all right, where 1 less than equals to N less than equals to 7, and N is an integer, all right, and Z, we have it as, we have M, 2 less than equals to M less than equals to 10, and M is a multiple of 2. Now the question is, list the element of X, Y, Z. That's the first question. The second, draw Venn diagram to illustrate the information. And the third one, find X prime intersection Z prime intersection Y. You know, it's as simple as ABC. All right, let's solve it together. All right. Now, the first question says that we should list the element of X. Element of set X. Don't forget, the element of X, look at it. 2 less than P less than 9 is a prime number. What does that mean? What are the prime numbers from 2? We have 2, 3, 5, and 7. All right? These are the prime number of what? Of subset X. Now let's look of Y, where 1 is less than equals to N less than equals to 7, and S is an integer that is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That's the value of Y. Now let's look at Z. Now, where 2 less than equals to M less than equals to 10, where M is a multiple of 2, that is, it ranges from 2 to 10. So we have multiple of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. These are the elements of all these sets. Now, the second question is draw Venn diagram to illustrate the information. The next thing is to draw what? To draw the Venn diagram. Alright, you want to represent the information in Venn diagram. Alright, let the first circle represent the X, let this represent the Y, and this one represent what? The Z. Alright, the first thing we need to look for is the intersection of the three circles. What is the intersection? The element that is common between the three subsets. You have 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. So the intersection of the 3 we have what? 2. All right. Let's deal with X. We have 3. Is there anyone that has 3? We have X and Y. They both have 3. X and Y. Intersection of X and Y. We have 3. All right. What about 5? We have 5 here. 5 in also Y. X, Y also has what? 5. What about 7? X, Y, they both have what? 7. Alright, let's come to Y. Y, the first number element is 1. Anyone with 1? No. 1. What about 2? We have 2 here already. What about 3? It has 3. What about 4? We have 4. Intersection of Y and Z. Alright, Y, Z. There is 4 there. What about 5? 5 already, we have it. What about 6? There is an intersection between Y and Z. We have 6 here. YZ. We have 6. Alright. What about 7? 7 has already been established. Now let's come to Z. 2. We have already. What about 4? 4 is established. What about 6? Already established. What about 8? No, I know with 8. No. So only Z has 8. And 10. All right. Now, let's check. Don't forget the universal set is from 1 to 10. Let's check it on our Venn diagram. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where is 9? No 9, so we'll put our 9 here. 9. Outside the circle, 9 and 10. That is our final answer on Venn diagram. And the next question says that we should find x prime intersection z prime and intersection y. All right. Okay, we want to find the x prime intersection z prime and intersection y. Now, let's first of all find the x prime, that is the same thing as x complement. All right. Don't forget the element we have in x are 2, 3, 5, 7. And our universal set is from 1 to 10. Therefore, x prime will be 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. All right. Therefore, let's look for z prime. What are the elements we have in z? So let's see, we have 2, 4, 6, 8. Therefore, z prime, don't forget, universal set is from 1 to 10. So therefore, our z prime will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is our c, the c prime. All right. This is what z prime. All right. Now, what about the value of y? The element we have in y, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Therefore, to find x prime intersection z prime intersection y, so we have to look at what is common between the three elements now. Though we have 1, all right. So x prime intersection z prime intersection y. So we have 1. What else do we have? 4, 4, 4. As 4 here, there's no 4 here. 6, there's no 6 here. 8, so nothing. So the answer is what? 1. That's our final answer. Mathematics is very simple. Now let's look at another example. Example 2. All right, let's look at this second question on the board. All right. A equals to subset A has element 1, 2, 5, 7, and subset B has 1, 3, 6, 7. They are subset of universal set, 1 to 10. The question is find A prime. All right. Number 2, find A intersection B prime. 3, find A union B prime. 4, the subset of B, each of which has 3 elements. All right. Don't forget, the first thing we need to do, let's write out our universal set. All right. The universal set is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the elements we have in our universal set. And set A, we have 1, 2, 5, 7. Set A. And B. All right. B, we have 1, 3, 6, 7. 1, 3, 6, 6, 7. All right. That's the element of B. But the question is, find A in A prime, that is A complement. To find A complement, therefore, A complement, all right, will be, look at subset A. We have 1, 2, 5, 7. A complement will be those elements we don't have in A, but they are what? They are in universal set. What are the elements? We have 1, 2. There is no 3 here. So you write 3. There is no 4. 4. All right. 6, 8, 9, and 10. That is our A prime, or you call it A complement. Number 2. We're asked to look for A intersection B. Now, the first thing we need to do, let's find A intersection B first of all. What is A intersection B? What are the elements that is common between A and B? A intersection B, the elements common between A and B, 1, 1, they both have 1. What about 2? No. What about 5? No. What about 7? They both have what? 7. 1, 7. That is A intersection B is 7. 1 and 7 rather. But they ask us to look for A intersection B prime. Therefore, A intersection B prime will be those elements we have in A intersection B. Alright? But nothing was universal set. So, in universal set, we have 1. We also have 1 here. But universal set, we don't have 2. Universal set, we have 2, but we don't have 2 here. 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright? That is our A intersection B prime. A intersection B prime. Alright? Universal set is 10. Sorry, excuse me. 6, 7, 8, 9. You stop at 10. Alright? Universal set is 1 to 10. Now, the next one, number 3, you have to look for A union B prime. Before we can do that, we need to find A union B. A union B, that is coming together of both elements in A and B without what? Without repetition. Without repetition. Alright, what are the elements you have in them? We have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. That's the A union B. But therefore, we want to look for A union B prime. That's what the question asks us to what? To find. To find A union B. Therefore, what are the elements you have in A union B? All this, we compare it to what? Universal set. Universal set, we have 1, 2, 3. What are the elements you have in universal set that are not here? We have 4, 8, 9, and 10. That's our final answer. That is our A union B complement, or you can call it a prime. So the last question says the subset of B, each of which has 3 elements. Subset of B. Alright, this subset of B, you have 1, 3, 6, 7. Alright, how do we do that? That has what? 3 elements. That has 3 elements. The number of B, each of which has 3 elements, has 3 elements are, look at it, 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, yes. Alright, it also have 1, 3, 7, yes. We can say 1, 6, 7. 1, 6, 7. 1, 6, 7. And we can say 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7. Alright. So that is our final answer. Let me write it careful. Okay. You can put it here. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7. That's our final answer. All right, this is where we are going to stop today. You can see that mathematics is very simple and sweet as bread and tea. All right, thank you for watching. Make sure you press the subscribe button for more videos, like it, and share with your loved ones. See you next time. Bye.